Hi, I'm Helen. Welcome to Bare Skin Act. This is my channel where I review skincare products and test them on my bare skin. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out my other videos where I review the most popular skincare products on the market. I am reviewing one of the most popular serums on the market, probably the most popular one, and it is the Estée Lauder Night Repair Serum. This one has been the best sellers for many years from Estée Lauder, definitely one of its hero products. I have been using this for one bottle about 2 years ago, and now I have started using the second bottle, so I do have something to say about it. In this video, I'm going to review what I like and dislike about it, and I'll put it on my bare skin so you can see how it applies, and towards the end, I will give you my BSA score rating. So stay tuned. So Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair System includes serums and eye concentrate and moisturizers and the like, and this particular serum really targets wrinkles and early signs of aging, so it is a very good product to combat early signs of aging. It targets fine lines and dullness and wrinkles, and is really good for all kinds of skin types. I have not experienced any sensitivities or irritations while I'm using this serum, and I always use it one time at night before a night cream and after toning. So let's try it out. So after applying this night serum, I can tell you it really is extremely soothing and very moisturizing. It does have a certain smell. It does not upset me at all, but it's also not the common, fragrant type of smell. I think it's totally fine. It gives my skin kind of a little bit of plumpness, and it just feels like it gets absorbed super quickly. And usually after applying this, I will add another layer of thick night cream or moisturizer, or sometimes a sleeping mask. And I usually use it just 7 days a week, every night at bedtime. I really do think it is a great product to add if you are experiencing some fine lines or early signs of aging, and especially if you think that you start to notice some, dark circles or wrinkles around your eye area. I really do think this is a very good product to add to your routine. So for a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, which is this one, it retails $100 and $500. Not cheap, but there are a lot of comparative kind of serums that are from big skincare brands that are around this same price range, and I think this is certainly very competitive out there. So what is my PSA score for this one? I'm going to give it a 4.3. I'm definitely very positive about this product. I certainly think it's worth the investment. It's from Estée Lauder. It also has other products that you can use together to bring out the best effect. However, I do think there are a lot of different alternatives that you can choose from. Lancome also has its youth-generating serum that basically is the same price, and from many other brands, Shiseido and the like. So I would say this is definitely a competitive product, but if you want to really decide which one you want to look at, you probably want to choose and try out different brands before coming to your own conclusion. Hopefully this video can help you understand what this product is like and decide whether this is for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.